One of the advantages of food as medicine is the ability to heal your gut. And that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. This is a ginger fruit salad. We're going to be starting with our strawberries. So you take your strawberries and you dice them into perfect bites. It can be cube size, but whatever works for you, because this is a fruit salad that you want to enjoy. We're also going to be using cucumber. So this is half cucumber and I'm dicing them. I'm also going to dice them into cube sizes. Also, we're going to be using our ginger. Now, ginger is our main recipe here in this fruit salad. Next, we're going to be using a medium-sized apple. You can decide to use the green apple or the red apple. Anyone is perfect for the salad. So just take out your seed, take out the unwanted parts from the apple, and you dice your apple into cubes as well. Next, I had to squeeze half lemon using my lemon squeezer. This just makes it very easy for me to take out my lemon juice. Now, I already diced my banana, the ginger, and now I'm going to blend them together. That's lemon, ginger, blueberries, and banana. So what I'm trying to create is the cream for the salad. So I already have my cut fruits in the bowl, and I'm going to sprinkle a tablespoon of my trilogy seed mix. That's chai, hemp, and flax seed. And I'll pour my creamy mixture and mix them together. So now we have our fruit salad ready and perfect to start the morning. The advantage of this is this salad is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and a spicy kick of fresh ginger that you're going to love. So if you know you want to eat healthy, then this is a very good alternative. This salad is perfect as a healthy dessert, a quick breakfast, or a midday energy boost. Let me know in the comment section how you like the ginger cake. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy healthy recipes. Happy eating! I will see you in the next video.